Ladies and gentlemen, you are most welcome once again to Tebi Talks. Today we want to learn some other new techniques in Microsoft Excel, and what we are going to learn today is something to do with undo, and redo. These two words are very important in Microsoft Excel because they help us a lot, and we are going to see how we use them. First of all, undo is like reversing the action, and then redo is the opposite of undo. So I'm going to put here a sample of word. I'm going to type the name James. James. Then I will put here Samson. So when I select this name James, and then like I've typed James, but I realized that I made a mistake. I never wanted to write this. So what you do, just go on top in the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar is on top of the ribbon, in the top of the tabs. When you check on this ribbon of tabs, then what is on top is what we call the quick access toolbar. So you realize we have these two options. The first one is undo. When you tap on that, you see undo, and then they are telling you are writing what, like Samson in F10. F10. So for now, what I do, when I click on that, it takes me to another page. You see, it takes me to another page because I'm reversing my action. So I go to a new page. I select James. I type James. Then from there, when I select undo, it will remove the content in that cell because I'm trying to reverse my action. If I go ahead and click on redo, it will bring back the content. So as I said, undo, it is the opposite of each other. So you can see undo will take the content away, and then redo will bring it back. For example, if I say James is a good boy, and then from there I want to merge this and center, so that they all fit in this this box. And then from there I realized that I never wanted to merge all this. Maybe I wanted only to merge column C and column D because this column might fit there. So what you do, you just go and undo. When you do that, now the contents will go back to their normal cells. Then from there you can select the real cells that you want to merge and center, and then obviously now the contents can fit there as you want them. But if you want, you can also still go back and undo or redo. Like undo is the process of reversing your action, whereas redo is the opposite of undo. So normally that's how you can use this one, undo and redo, in Microsoft Excel. It is very important tool in formatting documents, and it helps you to save time. Like instead of struggling to lab a character one by one, you can always undo and take away the whole word or the whole sentence of word at the same time. So otherwise, guys, thank you for now. In the next video, we shall look at more tools that you can use in Microsoft Excel that will help you in your journey to understanding this software better. Thank you. See you guys.